The AI landscape has always been a battlefield of innovation, but few expected a newcomer like DeepSeek to shake the foundations of giants like ChatGPT so easily like this. Over the weekend, DeepSeek has emerged as a formidable challenger, leveraging cutting-edge algorithms that prioritize language fluency and contextual intuition, a trait many thought was ChatGPT's best advantage. What stunned experts was DeepSeek's ability to process ambiguous queries with near-human precision, often outperforming ChatGPT in tasks requiring real-time adaptability. For instance, when tested on complex ethical dilemmas or highly technical prompts, DeepSeek consistently delivered nuanced responses that avoided the robotic rigidity still troubling many AI models. The shockwaves hit hardest when DeepSeek's architecture was revealed to incorporate a hybrid model combining reinforcement learning with neuro-symbolic reasoning, a stark contrast to ChatGPT's reliance on transformer-based deep learning. This hybrid approach allowed DeepSeek to learn faster from smaller datasets while maintaining stricter logical coherence, reducing the infamous hallucination problem that has dogged ChatGPT and similar models. Suddenly, AI researchers began questioning whether the industry had overcommitted to scaling parameters alone. DeepSeek's efficiency, achieving comparable results with fewer computational resources, raised uncomfortable questions about sustainability and the environmental cost of training ever larger models. But why are experts worried? Beyond the technical rivalry, DeepSeek's rapid ascent shows a deeper anxiety: the loss of control. Unlike OpenAI's cautious iterative releases, DeepSeek's development has been opaque, with rumors suggesting ties to ventures prioritizing commercial agility over ethical safeguards. Others fear a destabilized market where the race to outpace competitors leads to corner-cutting on safety. ChatGPT, for all its flaws, had set a precedent for responsible scaling. DeepSeek's breakneck progress threatens to redefine the rules, prioritizing capability over caution. The implications are global. Governments and corporations now face a dilemma: adopt DeepSeek's advanced tools to stay competitive or resist over fears of unvetted AI. Meanwhile, ChatGPT's team is scrambling to respond, fast-tracking upgrades to close the gap. DeepSeek's rise is a wake-up call. It exposes how fragile the AI hierarchy truly is, where a single breakthrough can upend giants overnight. For experts, the worry is more than which model wins. It's about whether humanity is ready to govern what it creates. As one anonymous researcher put it, we're building engines that could outthink us, but we're still arguing about seatbelts.